embraces Manchester and Manchester the world for this event of tight local intensity and vast global reach. How good to see Sir Alex Ferguson overlooking a Manchester derby again. Reports.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We have received a confirmed report of a rogue man that has taken control of a tram that is currently on a route to Timperley. We have reasons to believe that he is drunk and extremely angered about Manchester United's loss against Manchester City an hour ago. He is armed with an automatic rifle and a bomb, so any attempt to stop him at this point in time will end badly. He has taken the entire tram hostage, and demands from the man are coming now. Police vehicles are surrounding the areas where this tram is scheduled to stop at, and you should remain in your homes if you think you are around any of that police activity. This is just a precaution in case it comes to the detonation of the bomb the man has on board, or a shootout between officers and the armed man. We do not want any civilians caught up in this. Thank you for paying attention to this alert.
Aguero.
Is that what you see when you watch it?
It was more tricky than I think it's possible to judge from looking at it. I worked on Wall Street before I went to business school, and I worked in an environment that was heavily male-dominated. I thought I could handle it. I had never met anyone.
This is not a test. Minutes ago, an explosion was heard half a mile away from the current situation with the tram hostages. Two trams have collided, and the bridge the incident happened on is about to fall onto a petrol station. If you are in Prestwich, evacuate now. The damage that it will create around the station will be massive. Emergency services are currently on their way to there. If you encounter any fire trucks or ambulances, make way. Thank you for listening to this alert. This is not a test. What you are about to see is footage captured by our cameraman that was making his way to the hostage situation and got caught up in the bridge collapsing. Viewer discretion is advised.
What the heck happened?
As seen there, a single carried G has fallen and struck the petrol station. The gas truck that had been parked outside was crushed by it, and it exploded immediately. Debris then rained down on the area surrounding the truck, and the petrol station pump simultaneously exploded. Most buildings around the explosions have been heavily damaged, and a massive fire has begun on the street and in the affected buildings. Thank you for listening to this alert. This is not a test. Negotiations are currently breaking down with the armed hostage taker. A hostage has been injured from a bullet to the knee, and armed police are beginning to evacuate as the worst-case scenario may be happening. More shots are being reported from the tram, but officers believe these are nothing but phony warning shots. For now, please stay in your homes and stay calm. Thank you for listening to this alert. This is not a test. A shootout has begun between police and the armed man. Most of the hostages inside the tram have been killed by either crossfire or the armed man himself. Stay in your homes and take cover if you are around the situation. The detonation of that bomb is now assured.